Welcome to my video. Elderberry syrup is one of the best natural remedies to boost your immune system for colds and flus. Making it at home is super easy. My kit comes with a pouch of dried organic ingredients, which are elderberries, ginger, cloves, a cinnamon stick, and also a jar of locally sourced raw honey. Add the ingredient pouch to 4 cups of water in a saucepan. Simmer on low for 35 minutes. It is recommended to use a tight-fitting lid on the pan. However, one may need to relieve some steam during the simmering process. The key thing to remember is not to steam all your liquid away, but to end up with about 2 cups of liquid. Turn off the heat after simmering and let it steep for another hour. Strain the liquid, gain as much as possible. If there is less than 2 cups, then add enough water to bring the liquid up to 2 cups. If more than 2 cups, then you are fine. Add 1 cup of raw honey, and now you will have 3 cups or 24 ounces of nutrient-dense liquid gold syrup. Store in a glass container in the refrigerator for up to 90 days. The recommended dosage is 1 tablespoon a day for adults, a half a teaspoon a day for toddlers between 1 and 2 years old, and 1 teaspoon a day for children. During times of illness, increase the dosage to 3 tablespoons a day for adults, a half a teaspoon twice a day for toddlers, and 3 teaspoons a day for children. Thank you for watching and enjoy your kit.